Yo, welcome guys. My name is investorbm-seed, a financial risk management. I'm here to guide you on how to start your own investment as a financial risk management. Yo, I want us to please kindly click the subscribe button and like, comment, and share so that YouTube can push the video to people. Please kindly like and share. Your like and share goes a long way. I'm here to guide you and introduce you to what is the concept of share, stock, and ownership. When you are saying about share is an investment portion of ownership. It is a unit of stock that investor buy. It is a unit for stock that investor can buy and sell. So you can buy a portion of a stock and sell it for profit and loss. When you are saying about share, like a share is a unit of a stock. Like maybe you want to buy a share of Dangote refinery, you are buying a share of it, a portion of it. You can buy more than two or more portion of it, which means you are investing in Dangote refinery and you are a share owner, which means a partial owner. And when we are talking about stock are ownership stake in a company, and I can refer the stock as a company. I can actually refer the stock as a company, and their value fluctuates based on the company performance. Hope you are getting me. Their value fluctuates based on their company performance. Hope you are getting. So if a company is doing well, their value, their price will be increasing, and if a company is not doing well, their price go down, fall, which means you lose money. And when we are talking about ownership as a shareholder, you are a shareholder, you are the ownership, you are a partial owner of the company, which means when you buy a Dangote refinery, it means that you are a partial owner of Dangote refinery because you have a share of it, you have a portion of it. That is it. Stock, share, and ownership is not that complex as you think. And if you feel still confusing, just let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you through. If you have the time, download this thing, write it on your notes, read it. It's not that bad. If you download it, if you read it, and as time goes on, it becomes part of you. Thank you. Please kindly like, comment, and share. Your like and comment and share goes a long way, and it will help me keep doing a video. Thanks so much.